Are you ready to take your videos to the next level? Say hello to Haiper AI, a game-changing tool that turns simple text prompts or images into mesmerizing videos. And the best part, it's completely free. Let's dive in. If you're new to Haiper AI, you'll need to create an account first. Head over to Haiper.ai and sign up using your Google or Discord account. You can find the link in the description below. Once you have signed in, the Explore page will be displayed. At the top, you will find an overview of the generation modes that are currently available in Haiper AI. You can create a video with text, animate your image, or repaint your video. The option to extend the duration of your video will be available soon. Currently, you can create 2-second or 4-second videos. Explore the Spotlight Gallery, where Haiper AI showcases captivating video compilations and short movies submitted by community members. This is a great way for creators to promote their work and gain new followers on social media. If you want your creation to be featured on Spotlight, click on the Spotlight tab in the left sidebar and submit your masterpiece. The duration of your video must be at least 12 seconds. Below the Spotlight section, Haiper AI showcases all the videos created by other Haiper AI users. If you like a video, you can download it, share it, or add it to your favorites. You can find your favorites in the left sidebar. Click on a thumbnail to see more details about the video. For example, you can copy the prompt here. Let's get back to the Explore page. Just a quick tip before we dive into video creation. Down on the left sidebar, there's an option to switch between dark mode and light mode. Now let's have a look at the Creations section. That's where all the magic happens. Your videos will come to life in the central area. And on the right side, you can see the history of your video creations. To select a creation mode, click the button at the top. You can also choose a different creation mode by clicking the left button inside the creation bar. When you create a video with text, Haiper AI offers you a variety of styles to choose from. They will pop up as soon as you hit the creation bar. Let's take a look at the styles currently available in Haiper AI. Let's create a video with text. Make sure the text-to-video mode is selected. Enter your prompt and select a style. If you do not want your video to appear on the Explore page, switch to private mode. Click the Settings button on the right to select the duration of your video and the aspect ratio. And now, hit the Create button. The video will take a few minutes to render. I think that turned out great. If you're happy with your video, you can download it, share it, or add it to your favorites. To provide feedback to the Haiper AI team, click the thumb up or thumb down icon. If you don't like how the video turned out, you can try again by clicking the Regenerate button. This will generate the video again with the same input. You can also edit your prompt for a better result or try the repaint mode. Now let's take a look at the image to video mode. Hit the Creation Mode button and choose the option Animate Your Image. Drag your image into the input bar or click to upload it. You can enter a prompt and describe the motion you would like to have in your video. But for now, let's just try without using a prompt. Select the duration you want for your video and click the Create button. Even without a prompt, the video turned out quite impressive. Currently, you cannot select an aspect ratio in the image-to-video mode. The aspect ratio of the generated video always matches that of the image you have used. To learn more about Haiper AI's features, check out the Get Started section. Join the Discord channel to connect with other Haiper AI users. Whether you want to create videos, seek advice, share your work, or chat, the community is the ideal place to engage and collaborate. While Haiper AI is completely free for now, a paid plan may be on the horizon. With the beta phase in full swing, expect regular updates and exciting new features to make your video-making journey even more incredible. And now, get ready to be captivated by the incredible videos I have created with Haiper AI.